In this video, we will be providing you with helpful information to assist you during your orthodontic journey. It is important to know that your Invisalign aligners will not work unless you wear them consistently. Therefore, your aligners should be worn at least 22 hours a day. You should only be removing your aligners for eating, drinking, anything other than water, and for your normal brushing and flossing. We do recommend that you see your normal dentist for cleanings and checkups every 6 months. At our office, you will be receiving an Invisalign Start Kit to take home with you. The kit will include cleaning crystals, a tray, case, an ortho key, and a set of chewies. The cleaning crystals will be used with the instructions provided in the box. You do need to make sure you keep your case with you at all times. That way you don't accidentally throw the trays away when you are out eating. The chewies are used to help seat the trays completely when you are going into new aligners. And then the ortho key is used to help you remove the trays at home. Along with using the cleaning crystals provided in your start kit, it is recommended that you brush your aligners daily with your normal toothpaste and toothbrush. You do want to be fairly gentle when you are brushing them. They don't get too dirty because you're not eating with them in. It is also recommended that you are flossing your teeth at least once a day. The aligners sometimes might have a rough or pokey edge on them, and you can take a normal nail file and very gently just kind of buff the one little area that is bothering you, or you can give our office a call and we can see you for an appointment to make sure that you are comfortable. Our doctors will inform you on when they would like to see you back for your checkups. We do understand that life sometimes happens and you may need to reschedule an appointment, so please call our office and we will get you rescheduled as soon as possible. Please note that excessive cancellations may prolong your treatment. We at Molen Orthodontics want to thank you for allowing us to be part of your orthodontic journey. We are looking forward to helping you create a beautiful and confident smile.